Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss the basic structure of a table in HTML. First we will discuss the basic structure of a table. Every table has two parts. First is head part. That green colored part is a head part of a table, and that white colored part is a body of a table. This head of a table has only one row and body of a table has three rows. Let's define the table using HTML. Here inside table tag, first we define the head of a table. We define head of a table using thead tag. Inside head we define the row of the head, and inside this row we define the data of the row. Now we will define the body of the table using tbody tag, and inside body of the table we define row of the body, and inside the row of the body we define the data of the row. And if we see the output will be shown like this. This is a head part of a table and this is a body part of a table.